Yamaha Mio M3 is one of the most popular automatic motorcycle models in Asia. In addition to reliable performance, the Yamaha Mio M3 2023 is also fuel efficient, so it is more efficient. Yamaha released 3 Mio motorbikes, namely Mio M3, Mio Z, and Mio S with 125 cubic centimeters SOH engines. Released a few years ago, this Yamaha Mio M3 comes with various improvements from various sides to attract consumer interest. Not only design, but also performance and other supporting features. Chassis, suspension and brake supporting features include swing arm rear suspension, telescopic fork suspension front, body frame steel material, double straight seat type, side wing, body under bone frame type, front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. Features on the console include digital odometer, analog fuel gauge, analog speedometer and side stand indicator. Yamaha Mio M3 targets the youth market aged 17 to 25 years. This scooter is also claimed to be a pioneer in the use of eco-indicators in its class. Its function is as a reminder, so that the owner continues to drive fuel efficient. The highest available variant is the Yamaha Mio 125 cubic meters. The difference lies in the 2 additional features. Advanced Key System is a feature on motorcycle keys that has various advantages. One of them is embedded with an answer-back system to make it easier for scooter owners to find their vehicle while in the parking lot. While the stop and start system feature serves to save fuel even better. Yamaha Mio M3 125 is powered by a 125 cubic centimeters one-cylinder air-cooled fuel injection engine that produces 9.38 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 9.6 Newton meters of torque at 5,500 RPM. Yamaha Mio M3 125 has a seat height of 750 millimeters. Yamaha Mio M3 125 price starts at $1,161. Stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more motorcycle news and reviews.